Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Brown color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, green color. Green color, V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for Z. Violet color A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. H for horse. I for igloo. Z for jackfruit. K for kite. L for light. M for monkey. N for necklace. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. Thank you.